Alright, so today we're going to have, I guess, quasi-Mexican for lunch. I say quasi-Mexican because it's more like Tex-Mex and it's just my rendition of it. It's not real Mexican. But I'm going to start with some Mexican or Spanish rice, just the way I do it. And I'm going to use brown rice because I already had it open and I don't want to waste it. So anyway, I use this little rice cooker. A friend of mine bought it for me years and years ago. Actually, the lady who used to run where my shop was, where I used to rent, where most of this commercial kitchen stuff came from, people have asked me about it. I used to rent a building right next door to a restaurant supply warehouse. And that's where the bulk of my kitchen stuff came from. Anyway, she gave me this. We were really good friends. And she gave me this one year for Christmas. And I've been using it ever since. I bet it's 15 years old or something, probably. This is another one of those things I don't really follow a recipe or anything. I just kind of wing it each time. Normally I would put some tomato paste in here, but for the other part of the lunch that I'm going to make in a little while, I need some sauce. So I'm going to use a little bit of tomato sauce in there. Not too much. And then a little bit of Sriracha. A little bit of chili powder. And then some cumin. And a little garlic powder. And then you just add water. This is graduated on the inside, so then you just add water up to the line. And I always pull water off my refrigerator because it's filtered. This water, I don't have a filter under the sink. And then mix it around. And plug it in and let it rip. Alright, so here's what happened. I met the rice video, which is what this is. Actually, I filmed yesterday. I had to move the camera and reset everything up to continue with the other half of the video. So I never finished the rice video and I forgot. So the rice finished, and there it is, and this is some beans. And it tastes great. So I wanted to finish out the rice video, so I thought, well, let me just fry a couple of eggs, and I'll put it over the top of the leftover rice, and I'll finish out the video that way. I just didn't want to lose the rice footage because it was the spices that I put in there really did come out good, and it really does taste good. And then this is a good way to use up leftover eggs with anything is a good way to use up leftovers, I think. Oh, I popped one, but that's okay. Okay, there we go. This is going to finish out that rice. And there it is. 3 over easy eggs on top of that nice rice with some of the beans. And I got some toast over there, but let's do the standard and give this a try. That rice really did come out good. Anyway, I'm going to go eat.